Legal check-up, there is a acronym Blue Baguette. So Blue Baguette is a simple and easy to remember acronym that sums up the things that you should check before you leave the kitchen. So Blue Baguette. So B stands for brakes. So make sure to check the brakes, the level of your brake fluids. Another important thing is the component is to check up your brake pads and make sure your handbrake is working. So before you travel, if mo gamit ka og vehicle, you should check your brake first. Next is L stands for lights. Have the mechanic check whether your headlights and tail lights are functioning fully. Kailangan i-use. So, W stands for water. So, yung mga sukyanan, dapat siya yung maintenance ng water. So, always check the daytor if there is enough water. So, kasi sa mula ko siya para makinan hindi kayo overheat. So, store emergency water in your car. And make sure your windshield washer fluid is supported. Next,